So we want to mount our ghost antenna up here, but as you can see, there's not any matching bolt patterns up here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make our own. I'm gonna take this and just figure out where to drill the holes on it. They're awesome. So there's the mark right there. There's our second mark. We're gonna drill these and we're gonna put some riv nuts in it. Things that are always a little sketchy. Drilling, part of your car. Okay, so we got the holes drilled. We're gonna make this super clean. We're gonna use a riv nut. So that's gonna go in there. We're gonna push these levers together. It's gonna expand out and give us a nice little nut in there. It's pretty cool. All right, so the first one's in. See right there, kind of squishes it, gives us a nice little backer. And I think it's pretty decent. We can always cut this off with a cutoff wheel or something, but I think for now we're just gonna leave it, mount it up, and see how it looks.
To the dirt.